let's have a look, right? So there's the three products, okay? And I won't tell you what the products are, just obviously for confidentiality and all that, but I can give you an idea that they're generic, they're boring, they're outdoor items, they're items that anyone could sell, and they're items that we spotted a opportunity in the marketplace, right? Now, our advantage, really, what we did was we actually started selling these products FBA when the competitors were selling them FBM. We also made some slight improvements to the products. We applied our barcode, our branding to them, and voila, we started selling them. Okay. So the main item, the item that's been doing the most sales is this one here, right? Item A, let's call it. £2,774.64. Now, it's worth pointing out this particular student is not VAT registered. So these numbers, these figures reflect that. They're within their VAT threshold in the UK, and they do not have to pay VAT to HMRC or to the government, right? Now, a little mistake here. There shouldn't be a pound figure in front of these. These are the number of units sold. These products were brand new. They were never sold before. The listings were just created by us. And we started off at a lower price, and we've just been steadily increasing that price. That's why the averages are a bit off. So like 2102, 1366, 1438. I think this product now is at 1495. I think this one here is at 1495. I think this one's at 1995. I think this one's at 24.95. So the averages have gone up, and also the average profit has certainly increased. It's also worth pointing out that we did give away some units for Vine, and these are reflected here. So that means that, you know, it lowers the amount of profit we make per unit because we gave away, I think it was 10 or 15 units per SKU to the Vine program, which basically means Amazon will go and get reviews for us. And these products here have all got 5-star reviews completely. I've never had a product like it where everyone's getting 5-star. So I'm really, really chuffed. But let's just run through these figures, right? So sales on the first item A is £2,774.64 with 132 units right out the gate for the month of May, right? The Amazon fees for picking and packing that item is £1,227.84. So that's their referral fee, which is basically their percentage of the sales price. And it's also their like shipping fee, right? Pick and pack, £1,227.84. PPC, really, really good on these. Like this is exceptional, £42.82. And you can see that the landed costs for us, this is like with the production, shipping, and duty and VAT, is £813.96. That left us a net profit of £690.02. So like that money for those products, you know, will consistently come in month on month. You know, I don't see any reason why this would change. In fact, it will probably increase as the item beds in more, but also as we've now got a higher price, which means the average profit per unit will be higher. That's only one product line, right? Here's another one here. The sales were £805.94 with a net profit of £211.33. And it's also worth looking there. You can see the PPC costs again, £27.39 for 59 units sold. So who's saying that Amazon is hyper competitive? There we are, folks. It is not. There's still a lot of opportunity. This one here, not as good, but it is improving. And we only had a net profit of £35. Still not a lot, but it could be better. I will say that. But again, PPC 10.55, very, very low. And landed costs were very, very low for the amount of units that sold. So look, still in the grand scheme of things, it's fine. The price has been increased, which means that on average, all these will increase the profit per unit sold, which is very positive. Nonetheless, put it all together, which I like to look at our business. I don't look at it as a single product. I like to group it all together. We have a total profit for May right out the gate for these brand new products of £936.29. Guys, I hope that really inspires you because these are real numbers. These are achievable numbers. They're suitable for anyone. Anyone could do this. Not saying everyone does. Some people do better. Some people don't do as well. But like, you can do it. You can do it. This is just one of our students, and I'm very, very impressed with it and just how it's all going, right? And if you're interested in doing this, check out the Academy. And they're in the link in the bio, and there's other cool ways we can work together. Nonetheless, please subscribe, like the channel. I'm always sharing stuff on Amazon and lots of other e-commerce stuff, but it's just like, just share my thoughts on this channel. And if you've any questions, put them down below in the comments. And nonetheless, have a great day and talk to you soon, folks. Take care.